Oh, that's right. You knew I was taking a video. What's this stuff falling from the sky, Brody?
Snow.
Yeah, do you like it? You like it? Cool. Do you think your sand toys are going to work in the snow? They sure are they? And what was this digging project you were doing over here in the garden? Oh, you gonna get Daddy with that snow like I got you? Oh, you. Hey, oh, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Oh, I gotta run away from you. Oh, no. Ah! Oh, boy. I better get away from Brody.